Understanding spicy meme in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun topic in the online English language, the phrase, spicy meme. Whether you're scrolling through social media or chatting with friends, understanding this phrase will add some flavor to your English vocabulary. So, let's get started and find out why some memes are considered spicy. Before we get into what makes a meme spicy, let's first define what a meme is. A meme is a piece of media, typically humorous, that spreads rapidly online. Memes can be images, videos, or texts that are shared and modified by internet users. Now, not all memes are created equal. Some are just plain funny, while others have a little extra kick to them. These are the spicy memes. What makes a meme spicy? It's all about the content being particularly provocative, edgy, or having a strong impact. They often touch on current events, politics, or cultural issues and can sometimes be a bit controversial. Using spicy meme in conversation is easy. If you come across a meme that makes you think or is daring in its humor, you can say, "That's a spicy meme." It's a way to acknowledge that the meme has a bold or intense flavor of humor. Spicy memes do more than just make us laugh. They often encourage discussions and can be a way for people to connect over shared opinions or experiences. However, because they can be edgy, it's always good to be mindful of the context in which you share or discuss them. And there you have it. You're now equipped to understand and use the phrase, spicy meme, in the English language. Remember, while spicy memes can be entertaining, always consider the setting and the audience when sharing them. We hope you found this video helpful and look forward to adding more flavor to your English learning journey. Happy meming!